Look at what I made. This is great. This is Soursop Pina Colada ice cream. Pineapples. Paprika bomb. So I saw this little item on Instagram, and I have been wanting one of these or something similar to this ever since I was in Atlanta and I went to this Thai ice cream parlor. But what they do is you mix all these little ingredients. Well, you decide what you want for your ice cream, and they use these sheets with hot ice and they make your ice cream. So I got this. And what it came with, it was just inside of a standard little box. So it comes with two tools. One is like a little spatula, and then the other one is like a little shovel. Then of course you have your instructions, and the instructions, you're gonna have like several different recipes for some ice cream. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then you have your actual plate here. Now, what it says for you to do inside the instructions is to have your plate inside of the freezer for at least 15 hours. Mine's been in for almost a week, so I'm good right there. And then it says that you're supposed to use your, well, with your mix, you're only going to use like about half a cup for the tray, but I'm going to be hard-headed and I'm going to use a whole cup. And what I have here, this is my Soursop Pina Colada. So, and it has pineapples. So, we're gonna pour. Ooh, look at all the pineapples. So that's my cup, and we're just gonna pour it in here and just let it get evenly distributed. Now, the instructions say, wait approximately 10 to 15 seconds and then begin to mix and blend with the included tools. So we're going to say that was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let's get into it. So down there. Well, let me use this one. So you're supposed to scrape, and it is freezing up, and turn it. Look here. And scrape and turn it. It's freezing up too. So scrape and turn. And I put in more than what they were recommending that you do. So scrape and turn, y'all. So that's interesting. So this setup really good, y'all. I don't think I'll be using the little hand churn anymore or my other little ice cream maker any longer, because look, it didn't even take a good minute for this to set up like this. So this is actually, this is done. This is done. Let me grab my spoon. Oh, this is great as an ice cream. So look, if you want the recipe, I have it posted on my Instagram, and I'll put the link right inside of the description box, and I'll possibly also have it inside of the comment section. I'll have it pinned. But this is awesome. This is awesome. So, have my little cute pink bowl. I'm going to use my little shovel. And here we go. Wow. Now it's really hot. Well, it's not really hot, but it is rather hot inside my place. Matter of fact, it feels like it may be about about 80 degrees in here, to be honest. So this held up real good under the heat. So I'm just gonna finish this up and then I'll show you. So it's all done, and look, there's your ice cream. So you say you want to watch more of my videos, then make sure that you click right here. And you say you don't want to miss any of my videos that's going to be coming up, and you need to subscribe to my channel, so you need to hit the subscribe button, then make sure that you click right over here.